A false friend is a word in a language that looks or sounds similar to a word in another language, but that in reality means something different. We're going to learn 9 false friends in Spanish so that we don't say something we didn't mean to say by accident. Éxito doesn't mean exit, but rather success. Salida is the way to say exit. Embarazada isn't embarrassed. Embarazada means pregnant. Avergonzado or avergonzada is embarrassed. Pie does not mean pie in English, it means foot. The word for pie varies by region, but tarta is one word that can mean pie. Actualmente does not mean actually, it means currently. If you want to say actually, you can say realmente or en realidad. Recordar doesn't mean to record, it means to remember. Grabar means to record. Largo doesn't mean large, it means long. Grande is large. Fábrica doesn't mean fabric, it means factory. Tela means fabric. Carpeta isn't carpet, carpeta means folder. Alfombra is carpet. Codo doesn't mean code, it means elbow. Código means code.